Hello everyone. We got a laptop to fix here. I don't see a lot of laptops as I was doing before. This is a HP Envy x360m. This one came with the common problem. Is a bad hinge causing the screen to crack and get damaged. The customer was holding the hinge with the tape. You can see the marks over there. And this is what so before this hinge completely off, and there is no contact screw holder. That's the copper ones, the 3 holes over there where the screw is hold, they gone, plus there is no screws as well. So I get that copper rings from another laptop, and they fix them in the place with the solder iron to hold them in the place. So then I put a JB welder around it. I put the hinge on the top of them, get a clamp and hold it for 24 hours, and this is the result. It looks good. So I put the JB welder between this plastic and this aluminum back cover to make it strong in this area. So this hinge is very tight, that's why they get damaged here. So I did put inside DW40 to make the hinge a little bit loose, and they don't put a lot of pressure in the hinge holder. So let me show you how I take these screw holders and show you how I put them. So this is, I'm going to check this one. I just use the solder iron. Here. Then if it's like this one is missing one, I can put it over there. Then I push it inside the hole with the solder iron. Alright, that's how it's look like. Same what I did here. So let's put those screws into place. Yeah, the JB welder is holding the contact in the place very good, but we want to put this ones to be like more strong. Right, this is the new screen. The new screen came with the touch bar, the touch board. Yeah, from how I'm gonna put it together, this is how you take it apart. Yeah, the screen fit good in the hinge place. Oh, that's good. Yep, that's good. So this is the charge board, and if this the one that's come with the screen doesn't work, we're gonna try to use this one.
So don't forget the DC jack. Let's go over there. The Wi-Fi antennas. So cable is on the top of it. First. So I want to test the screen for anything.
Yeah, the touchpad it works. You can see it's so screen works good. So finishing it we finish putting it together, and that should be good.
Close this one.